Everyone online says AI can make you rich, but what really happens when you try it? I tested 5 different AI side hustles for a full week. I tracked every result, wins, losses, and time spent, and now I'm breaking down exactly which ones worked, which ones flopped, and how much I actually earned. I started with $0, only free or freemium AI tools, and gave each side hustle 1 focused hour a day. Here's what I tested: AI copywriting for Etsy sellers, AI short-form video scripts, AI logo design, AI blog posts for clients, and AI automation setups using Zapier and Notion. First winner, AI copywriting for Etsy sellers. Result, $45 earned. I joined a few Facebook groups for handmade shops and offered quick, SEO-ready descriptions. ChatGPT wrote the drafts. I just polished the tone. 3 sales in 2 days. Lesson: sellers don't want to write. They want to sell. AI saves them hours, so they happily pay for speed. Second winner, AI video script writing. Result, $60 earned. I pitched to a couple of fitness coaches who needed TikTok content ideas. ChatGPT built the scripts, 11 Labs gave me sample voices, and CapCut handled timing. Each short sold for $30. Lesson: people pay for a finished idea, not for the tools behind it. Now for the middle ground, the maybe list. AI logo design brought in $0. Midjourney made beautiful logos, but so can every other AI artist now. Too crowded, not enough brand identity. Lesson: creativity niches need personality, not just pixels. AI blog posts for clients earned $25. ChatGPT handled first drafts fast, but editing and fact-checking took longer than expected. Still, if you add SEO keywords or formatting as an upsell, this can work. Lesson: writers who use AI beat writers who don't, but clients still expect a human eye. AI automation setups earned $0 this week, but I see the long-term play. I offered to connect Forms, Notion, and email with Zapier for a few local businesses. They were interested. No contracts yet. Lesson: automation is the high-ticket end of AI hustling. Build proof, then you can charge hundreds per setup. So what actually worked? Top 3 by profit per hour. Number 1, AI video scripts. Number 2, AI copywriting. Number 3, AI blog posts. If you're starting today, here's your simple action plan. Pick one service, Etsy copy or short-form scripts. Offer it inside a community that already needs it. Deliver fast, collect reviews, and repeat. That's how you turn AI from curiosity into cash. So yes, I can make money, not because it's magic, but because it multiplies your speed. I earned $130 in 1 week testing 5 hustles, and 2 of them are now part of my daily workflow. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit below to grab the same prompts and workflows I used in this challenge. And don't forget to subscribe for tomorrow's episode, Passive Income with AI Templates, my 30-day plan. Welcome to Purposefully AI. Simple systems, real income.